Yes, today I will discuss about revisiting rational numbers and their decimal expansions. As you take this heading. Yes, rational numbers definition already well known because you have learned in the ninth standard. The number which can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where Q is not equals to 0 and P comma Q are non-negative integers. Yes, and then next one is decimal numbers. It is a special form of fraction which can be written with the help of decimal point. Examples: 0.5, 0.67, 0.345, so on. Yes, in the decimal numbers there are two types of decimals. First one is terminating decimals. Second one is non-terminating decimals. Yes, in the non-terminating decimals there are two types. First one is non-terminating recurring decimals. Recurring decimals. Second one is non-terminating non-recurring decimals. Yes, in this syllabus we can discuss about non-terminating recurring decimals and rational numbers. Okay, recurring in the sense repeating. Okay, some examples of rational and their decimal forms. Okay, yes, first you would make two columns. First one is decimal forms and rational forms. Yes, these examples are given in your textbook only. First example is 0.375. 0.375. It can be expressed in this form: 375 divided by 1000. Yes, it can be written in this form: 375 divided by 10 to the power 3. Okay, yes, it means what? I am writing this denominator in the form of decimals, in the form of powers of 10. Okay, powers of 10. And second one, 0.104. Yes, it can be written in this form: 104 divided by 1000. This is also, it can be expressed in this form also, that is powers of 10. Denominator I am writing in the powers of 10 here: 104 divided by 10 to the power 3. And third one, yes, I will take one more example, that is what? 0.0875. 0.0875, its rational form is 875 divided by 10,000. Okay, it can be expressed in the powers of 10 as denominator here: 875 divided by 10 to the power 4. Okay, like this we can express that rational numbers or decimal numbers in the rational forms or in the decimal forms, and as a denominator in the form of powers of 10. Okay, yes, this 10, it is having only two factors, that is 2 and 5. Only 2 and 5. Yes, I will write this 875. I will write this 875 divided by 2 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 4. Okay, it means what? This is uh, in it is in the form of indices rules. That is what? A into b whole raised to m is equals to a raised to m into b raised to m. Okay, like this. Yes. According to this knowledge, some the theorems are there. That is theorem number 1.5, theorem number 1.6, and theorem number 1.7. Okay, I will discuss about these theorems in the next video. Thank you.